How to allow camera access on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings, and once you do that, scroll down to apps, then navigate to Instagram, and here you want to go to permissions. Now, as you can see, the camera feature or option is on the not allowed permissions section. Click on it, and here you will be able to allow and grant access to the camera in the Instagram app by selecting one of these two options, either the first or the second one, depending on which option suits you best. And by doing that, as you can see, you have just allowed the camera access for the Instagram app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can allow the camera access on the Instagram app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.